Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video is probably going to be a really different one and something you probably did not expect. And also, we're in the kitchen, so it's going to be very echoey. So yeah, in today's video we're going to be cooking a pizza, Fnaf style. So, you know, it's not going to be good, but it shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. But we're going to be using our own things, so we're not going to be making actual dough. We're going to be using tortilla because I prefer it. That's just me though. Anyways, so today we're going to be cooking a pizza, obviously. So we have our tortilla, obviously. We have our tomato sauce, our fromage or cheese, and le jambon, ham. So yeah, we're going to be getting into cooking today. Hopefully it doesn't do too badly. I have the oven preheating now as we speak. So yeah, you're going to be just watching me cook a Fnaf style pizza. So yeah, hopefully you do enjoy. If you do, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe if you are new. We do all sorts of content on this channel. Obviously we've gone from gaming to cooking. So yeah, kind of a weird change. But that defeats the purpose of this video. We're going to be getting straight in. So yeah, without further ado, let's cook the pizza.
Nice.
Oh, that was satisfying. Oh yes. Right, so hopefully you can see me in this shot. I'm kind of hoping this doesn't turn out like other videos where I'm just like half out of shot. Hopefully I'm still in shot. But yeah, as you can see, we got our tortilla, we got our tomato sauce. So we are making a ham pizza because I've not got pepperoni, unfortunately. So obviously we're gonna get a tablespoon or two of tomato sauce, put it on there, put the cheese on, put the ham on, chuck it in the oven and see how it comes out and hope for the best, pretty much. So yeah, let's get the sauce on real quick. Right, so we get our tablespoon, chuck that on there, and then we'll get another tablespoon and chuck that on there. Oh, you can never have enough tomato sauce, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna need a lot, considering we're doing this on a tortilla. And yeah, it said it's enough tomato sauce. Hopefully we're not overdoing it. Are we overdoing it? I think we're overdoing it. Oh god. This is already gone to... This is already gone to do. Not the greatest of starts. Not the greatest of starts at all. So, yeah. Great. Wow. Anyway, with a pizza, we're going to need a lot of cheese. So we're using mozzarella and cheddar. So we're going to try and sprinkle it on evenly. Sprinkling it on there. Hopefully it turns out somewhat decent. I'm not really sure how this is going to turn out. I'm kind of scared because I've planned this video out to be somewhat half decent, right? So I don't want it to turn out like trash, you know? So let's say that's enough cheese. Even though on a pizza you can never really have enough cheese, or too much cheese, should I say. So now we're going to open this ham. Okay, ham is now open. So we're going to put a good bit of ham on here because, let's all be honest, this isn't really a Fnaf style pizza if we could not get diabetes or obese off it. Let's all be honest, we've seen what the Fnaf pizzas look like. Yeah, this doesn't take that long to make. And if, by the way, if you're wondering why I'm doing it on a tortilla, your boy is on a diet. I'm trying to be, so yeah, can't exactly be eating pizza all the time. Right, I'd say that's enough ham. So let's get an actual view of the pizza. It looks like a shambles, I'm not gonna lie. Let's hold on. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know if you could see me putting on that. Hopefully you could. It kind of looks like a shambles at the minute, if I'm being totally honest. I mean, hopefully you could see me putting the toppings on. I'm kind of scared you just couldn't. But yeah, let's actually get it into the oven now. Okay, so we have preheated the oven to 200 degrees. And it says on the tortillas, like, packaging. Hold on, let's get this pizza onto this without crumpling it. Alright, so we have our pizza. We're going to put it on the middle rack. And that is not a good sign. Oh, crap. Right, Pizza goes into the oven for, we'll put it on for 10 minutes at 200 degrees, and hopefully it comes out fine. So I will see you when that is cooked. Okay, let's see what this came out like. I can see it. It doesn't look too bad, but it looks very, what's the word? Cheesy. So, yeah. Remember when I said we could never have too much cheese? Yeah, that was... As you can see, it is not the greatest looking pizza. It's crispy on some sides, like so. I don't think it looks too bad. I don't know, to be honest. There's not enough cheese put over there and stuff. Definitely some improvements to be made. That's for sure. Obviously, since it was a tortilla, it was gonna be very thin, but that's fine. The pizza cutter, as we have here, the ham seemed to like go down to one side, probably because it fell. But like, it's definitely done. It's obviously a bit soft because of the tortilla, but obviously, I'd much rather have something that isn't too awful. It doesn't look too bad, but it doesn't matter how it looks with pizza. It just matters how it tastes. So let's cut this bad boy open, and we will give a taste test on whether it's gone okay or if it's been a failure, which is probably gonna be the failure one. But my god, is this thing hard to peel. That hurt my ears. Let's put it into corners, and we will take a slice of this bad boy. It's very cheesy, which you want, but we're getting the slice with the most ham and stuff on it. It's very cheesy and very thin, so obviously nothing chef-like. Taste test. Yo, it's actually not that bad. The crust caved in a bit, but it's genuinely not that bad. Like, I'm being dead serious, it's actually not that bad. It actually tastes really good. Like, the ham is like juicy, so that makes it nicer and chewy. Cheese, there's actually enough cheese on there, it's perfect. Sauce is fine. It tastes as good as like a Tesco pizza, which I'll take. But yeah, obviously there has to be other people's opinions, right? So we're gonna get my brother in, and my brother is going to try a slice. So Reese, we need a tester. Pick your poison.
I'll take this one.
Alright, be honest now. That's not a good sign.
No, it's nice.
It's as if I've got a gun to your head behind the camera. You're like,
No,
you're like,
it generally
yeah, it's nice.
It generally is nice. Yeah.
Out of 10. Because it looks a shambles, that's all I'll be honest. It doesn't look good at all.
Out of 7.
7? I'll take that. I'll take that. I had a slice and it genuinely looked good. It actually tasted good. I think I'd make Chica proud. Chica gang. Mark. So, yeah, that was the end of this catastrophe, if you want to say it looks like. I genuinely think it tastes alright. I think it does taste okay. It looks horrendous, I will admit. It looks absolutely terrible. I don't know why that's down to, maybe it's because like the tortilla or something, I don't know. But genuinely tastes okay. It's genuine, I think it's better than the Tesco pizzas. So yeah, if you do want to try this for yourself, I'll leave the whole ingredients and recipe down below. It is used a tortilla or a wrap as you'd find in Tesco, diced ham, mozzarella, chuck it in the oven for 200 degrees at 10 minutes, and then yeah, and you have this monstrosity that comes out. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy this different level video, make sure to smash the like button down below. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
So, peace.
Peace.